everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this electric air cleaner. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is everything that comes inside the box. First of all, you'll have the main device itself. You just twist like this to open it up. It has a really good suction, and then you'll fill it up all the way to 130 mLs and then close it just like so. To charge it, you'll actually open it up back here, and it did come with a charger, so you just plug that in to make sure that it's completely charged. I always do recommend charging it up completely before you actually use it. And then it comes with all these different pieces, and pretty much you'll just take this, lift it up, put one of these on like so, and then you'll have your power on and off right here. And then you have normal, strong, pulse, and then you have your charging indicator. And it also comes with this cup right here, so when you're getting the thing, you see it has that like little U shape. It's gonna go right underneath the ear and catch all the water as it's coming out. I do have a daughter that does get a lot of earwax in her ear, and normally I do use a water flosser, but you do have to be very careful when using a regular water flosser, because it is like a sharper thing and it doesn't have this little area that blocks. So you can go too deep in the air, and it also can put too much force and actually hurt the eardrum. So I do recommend buying one of these, which is why I actually got one. As soon as I seen this, I was like, yes, this is something that I need to review, because I know a lot of parents have the same issues with their kids having a lot of earwax in their ears, and it's like super hard to get earwax out of kids' ear. And I prefer to do stuff at home rather than take them to the hospital every time, because they just, if you tell them you're going to the hospital, they start throwing fits and everything. So if I can do it from home, I'm definitely going to do it from home. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like in use. Okay, so I'm going to put some warm water in here.
I know they're going.
And then you hold this over your ear like this. Hold it.
No.
Put it.
Does it tickle? It tickles?
Okay, let's see. I don't see nothing in that one. Here's into there.
The water's coming out of my eyes.
Okay, so that just came out of my son's ear. That is disgusting. That came out of this dude's ear.
It always itches up in there.
Well, that's disgusting. You clean out your ears. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.